This is a mechanical model. The box includes 2 swing speed hinges, 1 latch speed hinge, and all component parts. You will see tension control on one end, swing speed and latch speed on the other end. The arrow points to neutral. Increase tension by turning arrow to greater numbers. Release tension by pressing down. Turn to desired lower number. Adjust swing and latch speed by tightening or loosening the speed control hex nut. Turn toward negative to decrease speed. Turn toward positive to increase speed. Fix by tightening the lock and screw.